So how can you turn off the shake to undo typing on your iPhone? Well, let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you that way don't miss anything important. So on your iPhone, just go to the accessibility section within your main settings app. And inside it there, you can go to the touch section. And part of this, we have the toggle, which is titled shake to undo. So you can see that the little description says that if you tend to shake your iPhone by accident, you can disable that, right, to prevent the undo alert from appearing. But the point is that you might want to type something into your notes. For example, you shake your the iPhone, of course, and you will be asked if you want to undo that typing. That might be pretty useful, but as you can see, we also have the ability to turn it off completely, right? So that would be one thing. And within those apps, you also usually have the back button anyway, so you can always just tap the back arrow to go step back and undo the typing. So perhaps you don't need to shake your iPhone at all times if you want to perform that action. So at the end of the day, that's how it functions on the iPhone. There isn't much else that I need to share with you. So I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'm going to catch you later in the next tutorials as well.